But I gotta imagine that he's got a pretty expensive bill pending to have that chimney repaired.
You're not kidding.
Would have been cheaper to put a brick through the window, I think, than try to crawl down the chimney.
Okay. Well, guys, the good news is we've got a pattern change that's on the way. And that's why the temperature readings have not been quite as hot, because we're seeing everything just kind of go, shall we say, what was east is now moving toward the west, and what was west is now moving toward the east. I'll show you here in just a second. But here you can see part of that pattern change. We have a little moisture coming back into the picture. We had a slight scattering of showers around parts of the Treasure Valley yesterday, and now by comparison today it is dry, but up in the mountains we're seeing a mixture of sunshine and clouds. So for over 2 weeks, we had this persistent area of low pressure out here in the east, and we had this extremely hot, dry area of high pressure out here in the western United States. That's why we were so hot. In the meantime, out in the Midwest and parts of the Northeast, it was cool and wet. Let me show you what's going to be happening here as we go through this week. The pattern is going to be reversing itself, and what that means is that the low pressure system that was in the east is now going to be transitioning out here to the Pacific Northwest, and that hot area of high pressure that was hitting us with temperature readings at or above 100 degrees for 9 days in a row is now going to be switching out to the central and southeastern part of the country. We're not going to be seeing much in the way of shower activity, but we will see a little better chance of some scattered showers in the afternoon toward the middle and latter part of the week. One thing for sure is that the temperature readings are going to be going back down to cooler levels. Not going to be necessarily really hot, not necessarily really cool, but we're talking about temperature readings by the end of the week getting back to where they should be this time of the year, which is in the mid to upper 80s. So a few little scattered showers around the southeastern part of the state, a couple of little isolated showers out here over the Owyhees. You can see a little batch of rain right there trying to move in just south of Mountain Home, which just goes to show that we're getting some of those scattered showers that we're supposed to see in the late afternoon and evening hours. So the high temperature so far today has been 91 degrees. The low last night, 68. There's the average, 89. So we've been only 2 degrees above normal for this time of the year, nowhere near the record of 105 degrees. Nampa's at 93. Mountain Home is at 86 degrees, cooled off by some of the showers down to the south. And McCall has a temperature reading right now of 82 degrees. Here's some of that moisture that's trying to work its way back into the Intermountain West. A little scattering of showers here and there. A little scattering of showers is possible for us each afternoon. But I think as we get into the end of the week, we're going to be seeing a little better chance of some scattered showers here around parts of the Treasure Valley. So let me show you. Here's the 7-day forecast then for the Treasure Valley. High temperatures tomorrow about 94 degrees. So yeah, it's going to toast up just a little bit tomorrow, but then we'll start to see temperature readings slowly but surely dropping back down into the low 90s by Thursday. And Friday and Saturday, temperatures will be near normal in the upper 80s. And I'm going to say a slight chance of a shower in the afternoon on Friday and Saturday. The mountains will be seeing sunny to partly cloudy skies with temperatures by the end of the week back down into the 70s with some scattered showers in the afternoon on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Sunday looks okay, Brent. So everything's kind of getting back to normal after that scorching heat wave that we had for so long here in the Treasure Valley, actually throughout the entire state.
Yeah, 9 days.
Yeah,
Over
9
100
days
degrees.
in a row. That was a hot spell.
Too hot.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Roland.